We are Sunday at the Minneapolis Mile. Brought down 6 cars from my buddy Schmeat, luxury microfiber. It is August 13th. Do a little walk. 2023 Cullinan Black badge with his light up Spirit of Ecstasy. The Acura NSX Hybrid. The brand new 2023 Ferrari 296 GTB Hybrid. Luxury microfiber here, selling some towels. Brought down the STO Lamborghini Huracan, the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Roadster V12, and last but not least, the Lamborghini Huracan Performante Roadster. Quite a lineup here, as you can see at the Minneapolis Mile. Be here until 6 o'clock today. Stop down and check out the cars.